Hi guys! Welcome sa Sit9. In this video ay magsisimula tayo ng isang maiksing series. No? So sa series na to pag-aaralan natin kung paano mag-convert ng general form ng linear equation sa point-slope form. No? So here we have a, b, and ax plus by equals c, tsaka ax plus by plus c equals 0. These are the two forms of, these are the two general forms. Pareho lang actually ito, di ba? Kaso sa mga ibang books, ang kanilang ginagamit ay yung ax plus by equals c at sa iba naman ay ax plus by plus c equals 0. So, yung point slope form natin ay y equals mx plus b where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Okay, so paano tayo mag-convert, no? By the way, let's have several examples of the equation. Halimbawa, ax plus by equals c. So, pwede yan 2x minus 3y plus 9. So, ang ating a dito, syempre, yung katabi ng x, yung 2. Tapos, yung b natin ay negative 3, no? At yung ating c ay 9. So, minsan naman, 4x minus y plus 8 equals 0. So, that's another example. At syempre, pag tayo ay sa points, punta naman tayo sa point slope form, pwede yung y equals 3x minus 9. So, ang m natin dito ay 3 at ang ating b ay negative 9. Okay, so that's it. Let's have siguro one example, no, on how to convert general form of a linear equation to its point slope form. Okay, so we have 6x plus 3y equals 9. No? So this is the same as this form. Nasa kanan yung kaniyang number, no? Hindi 0 yung nasa kanan. So we have, remember that we want to isolate y, no? Dapat nag-iisa lang yung y, wala siyang number ng katabi, no? So, meaning we have to eliminate all the numbers from the left-hand side dito, no? Alisin natin yung 6x tsaka yung 3, di ba? Para y na lang matira. Y yung hinahanap natin. So, we have 6x plus 3y equals 9. So, para matanggal natin yung 6x sa kaliwa, magma-minus 6x tayo dito, magma-minus 6x din tayo dito. Okay, so wala ng 6x kasi magiging 0 na yan. 6x minus 6x. 3y na natira dito equals. Now, instead of 9 minus 6x, para kamukha siya nito, kamukha siya niyan. So, pwede natin gawing 9 minus 6x. Naalala nyo yung palagi ko tinuturo sa inyo na pag sinabi mong a minus b is the same as a plus negative b. So, yung 9 minus 6x can be written as 9 plus negative 6x. And addition is commutative. Ibig sabihin, pwede mong pagbalik ta rin yan. So gagawin na lang natin siyang negative 6x. You want to keep the color. So, negative 6x. And then, plus 9. Okay? Tapos, we want to get rid of 3. So, 3y divided by 3 equals negative 6x plus 9 all over 3. No? Makaka-cancel to, matitira sa kaliwa, y na lang. And then we have pwede natin ito paghiwalayan, no? Kasi pag sinabi natin a over b, o a plus b over c all over c, we can write this as a over c plus b over c. So, pwede natin paghiwalayan to, no? We can rewrite this as negative 6x over 3 plus 9 over 3. Ang negative 6 divided by 3 is negative 2, di ba? So y equals negative 2. And then mayroon pa tayong x. And then plus 3. So here, remember y equals mx plus b. Here our m is negative 2 and our y-intercept is 3. Okay? So, yan yung unang example. We will have more examples in the next videos. Gusto ko yung i-invite sa zip9.com yung ating website. At syempre yung ating YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/zip9 page. Kung gusto niyo pang malaman yung mga detalye, yung mga website, you can look at the description below, no? Kung kayo nasa YouTube. See you!